Hi, welcome to Era24 UK, and in today's video you are going to learn if you want to get access from your clients for Google Ads. So we are going to write here and then we will create an account. So first you need to write Google Ads Manager account. Once you will write and search, so you will see couple of options. So the first option we are going to choose. Why? Because we are going to take information from our clients and then we are going to manage their accounts. So once we will click, you will see here there is a start now button, and then it is showing you can manage a couple of accounts or different accounts from your clients. So once you click on start, so this process will start and you will see a business information form which you need to fill because you are the person who is going to manage other people's account. So you give your company name or account name. My company name is Era24 UK, so I'm going to write Era24 UK, and obviously I'm going to give display name that I will remember what account it is. So Era24 UK Manager Hub, and I will add ads because this is an ads manager hub. So Google will recognize with this name, and then I'm going to manage either my all accounts or manage other people's account. So I'm going to choose that option. The billing countries you are going to see and you have to leave it as it is. Check this box, I'm not robot, and after that click submit button. Once you will submit the button, then you are going to see congrats, you are all done. So it means your account has been created successfully. Now you want to see what is an account, so click on explore the account, and then you are going to see the interface. There are so many things showing up here: campaigns, some information of your account number. Here they are offering the most valuable features and pages. You can come back anytime via help, and then you can add or get activated this option. So right now we are just going to leave. So this is a custom layout on overview. Here you can see this is what they are offering: create up to 5 custom views, which you can either go next or you can skip, but I will just show you next page what is they are offering: add, remove or record cards. So you can do these things, but I think you need to make sure that you need that, and later on you can activate it. So we'll cut and we'll go out. Now we come back to our manager, ads manager hub. Here you can see the ID, the name of the company, and some other options and features. So once you will click, the pop down will show you whatever offers or whatever options or features they have got. So now as you can see, we have created a new account, so there is no history of any accounts managed, right? So now we will click on account and then sub account setting, because you are going to manage your client account. So that's why we are going to click on sub account settings, and then here you can see nothing is in there right now, and this is a sub account because you are going to add in this ads account manager someone's account. So click on this blue button, you will see 3 different options. You will see 3 different options. You can create a manager account, new manager account, in this account, or you can create a new account, normal account, fresh account, or you can link existing account. Normally existing account we are going to add, because the customers, they have got their own account ID, and this is what we are going to manage through their ID. So we will ask them their account ID, and we are going to put in this section their account ID. Obviously Google adds account ID. So who is managing actually? So if you have more than one manager, as I said, so you can choose, but we are just keeping the one which we are. And once you will see that the message will show up there is pending, but once they will grant you access and approve your request, you will see the account information down there. So I think we have completed the whole scenario to take their access and to manage their accounts. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.